Hope you're all okay. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a nice glittery floral design. I normally show you what I'll be using at the start of the video, but I'll show you each time I use a new product. So here we're using SBD Secret Garden Series. So I'm just going to do 2 coats of this gorgeous, I'd call it like a lilac-y blue colour. So I'll just let you watch this little bit and I'll be right back. And this is a gorgeous pink. I think these 2 colours go together so well. I think they're absolutely stunning. This collection, I'm so happy with it. You can do so much, and I don't know, they've just got like 12 colours in the collection. You've got 6 normal colours and 6 shimmery colours. They are stunning, honestly. Now I'm going in with Naio's foil glue. You only need a really thin layer of this. Make sure it's nice and even, because otherwise it'll show when you apply your foil. So once you're happy with that, pop it in for a cure. Here's the beautiful Delphine, I think I'm saying that right, foil from Nail Sugar. Absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, I'm just putting it down on my desk now so you can see it properly. Oh, I just love these roses. Roses. Yeah, so once that's out of the lamp, I like to put it on as soon as it's out the lamp, press it down and start rubbing it in. I have sped this up a bit because I do faff a lot and you do need to give it a good rub. Here I'm just using my silicone tool. I keep saying I need to stop doing that. So yeah, so I just keep rubbing it until I'm happy. The tip was falling off, so I just took that off. There we go again. So yeah, just keep rubbing and peel back. I'm just slowly to see if it's transferred properly. And then that's that nail done. Okay, so on this nail, I'm going to do slightly, just over half with this lilac-y blue colour. And then the other half, I will be doing it in the pink. I don't cure it until I've done both. Just nice thin layers, and then pop that in for a cure. I do 2 layers, 2 coats, whatever you want to call it, both the same thing, potato. Here I don't touch the other gel polish, but just make sure you check your brush in case you have touched it, because you don't want the other colour going into one colour. So here I'm just doing my second coat, which will go over that gap so it fills it in nicely. One little mistake I've done, I didn't top coat it, so the pink was still sticky, which next time I will be. I'll be either doing it shiny or matte, doesn't really matter. So now I'm just going over the lilac-y blue with the foil gel, because this is just the place where I want the foil to go. So nice thin layer, and then pop it in for a cure. Same transfer foil again, the Delphine. Oh, it's beautiful. Nail Sugar has some lovely foils, honestly. You should go and check them out. So just a little bit, and it was the static kept sticking to my gloves. So now I'm just applying it onto that lilac-y blue. All links will be in the description box below for you to go and have a nosy, maybe a cheeky little purchase. See here, it wasn't quite transferred very well, so I just placed it back down and give it a good rub, and round the sides and the end, so it transfers. And then once you're happy, peel it off. That's that nail done. Isn't it pretty? Oh, Princess Pixels. I'm putting base coat on it because it's more tacky. So I just put it on the top pink bit and then pop it in for a cure. While that's in the lamp, I'll just do a full nail of this gorgeous lilac-y blue. Gonna do 2 coats of this too. Now I just get nice fluffy makeup brush I use for glitter. These Princess Pixels, they are a must-have in your collection. So I'm just dabbing it on, and then I slightly wipe it down the nail, as you can see. They're so pretty. Beautiful. What am I doing now? A full nail of the pink. 2 coats of this too. And they go in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, so that's out the lamp after doing 2 coats. Now I'm just going to dab it in and then slightly rub it into the tacky layer. Oh, look at that shine. So sparkly. You really do need them. And these look gorgeous, shiny or matte as well. Check out my other videos to see them in matte. Okay, so now I'm using Goddess gel paints. And I thought I'd use this pink because the pink in the roses and my Nat Mug detail brush. This is perfect for fine detail. Absolutely love this brush. Highly recommend, and I think they'll be in stock soon. So if you want to order one, I'd get there first because they do sell out. So I'm just going down that line just to add a little bit of, I'm not sure what you call it. Just to add a little bit of detail, really. See? I like that. I'm just dusting off some of the glitter. And that's that set done. I've just got a top coat now, which I'm using Tempering Top Coat by SBD London. I've been doing so many matte nails, I thought I'd do a shiny set. Just to mix things up a little bit. So I'll just let you watch this bit and I'll be right back at the end. I don't know if you noticed, I've done the glitter nails last. As you can see on the brush there's a little bit of the glitter pixels, princess pixels. So you just wipe that off before putting it back into your bottle. And that's the finished set. I'm really happy with this set, I really am. I love them. They're so pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with the latest sets. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!